cold. It rained a lot last night. I wonder, should I do this? Alright. I'm not diving in there.
Dive in. Dive in.
I'm a wuss. Where's my dog? I need my dog. Okay, let me grab her.
Yeah, but I'm just having
She had no choice. I threw her in. Alright. Let me grab you. Okay, you're coming in with me. Look at her little feet are just going. It's nice. Yeah. It's usually warmer though. That's when everyone's here and they're peeing. Oh, I gotta get her. She's stuck. Poor thing.
She's run aground.
Poor thing. Hold on, Maggie. Big old butt. There you go. It's nice. And guess what? I took tomorrow off. Yeah, because I can. And I'm just gonna have fun. No responsibilities. Nothing. Just me entertaining you. You see this part right here? There are a bunch of people sitting on here the other day. They'd be drowning right now if they tried to sit down. So much rain we got.
Yeah.
I think it was 7 inches in 3 hours or something.
Really?
Maybe it was 4. I'm exaggerating.
7 inches in 3 hours sounds like a good time.
You goof. You can shut it off now. I'm done showing off.